Acai helps to boost your energy level while reducing your hunger pangs, so you're eating less and becoming more active, which everyone knows is the key to losing weight. The berry is packed with nutrients. It is high in omega acids and other fatty acids that can help manage cholesterol. It is also high in antioxidants, which can help combat premature aging. Colon cleansing has long been touted as the ultimate method for improving digestive function. It removes toxins and the buildup of gunk from your colon and helps you feel more energized, more free, and lighter overall. The combination of acai berry consumption and colon cleansing is said to be helping many dieters achieve their weight loss goals. For more information and to get a free trial of the dynamic duo, visit www.fruitsweightloss.com. The free trial is for a limited time only and can end at any time.